Kuwait International Airport came under attack on Wednesday after Iranian drones and missiles struck the facility. The attack injured several people and caused major damage to the airport infrastructure. Kuwait's Ministry of Defense confirmed the incident. Officials said the passenger terminal known as T1 was among the areas hit during the strike. According to authorities, the attack caused significant material damage. Emergency teams rushed to the scene soon after the strikes. Medical staff treated the injured while security forces secured the airport. Following the attack, airport authorities suspended air traffic, flights were delayed, cancelled or diverted. An emergency response plan was immediately activated to manage the situation. Spokesperson for the Ministry of Defense said several hostile drones targeted the airport. He stated that the injured individuals received the necessary medical care. The military said it remains on high alert. Officials added that the armed forces are coordinating with other agencies to monitor developments. Security measures have also been strengthened across the country. The airport strike came amid a sharp escalation between Iran and the United States. Earlier in the day, Iran launched a new wave of missile attacks targeting American military facilities in the Gulf region. According to Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard troops, the attacks were carried out in response to what Tehran described as hostile American actions in the Persian Gulf, the Strait of Hormuz, and near Qasem Island. Iran reportedly targeted Kuwait's Al Salim airbase and Bahrain's Isha airbase during the operation. Air defense systems in the region were activated as missiles and drones approached. Residents in Kuwait reportedly hearing warning sirens. Similar alerts are heard across Bahrain, and authorities urge citizens to remain calm and move to safe locations when necessary. The latest exchange has raised fears of a wider regional conflict. Analysts warn that continued military actions could threaten stability across the Gulf. The situation has also placed pressure on ongoing diplomatic efforts. Several countries have been working to reduce tensions and prevent further escalation between Washington and Tehran. Despite the growing conflict, US President Donald Trump said communication with Iran has continued. He rejected reports claiming that negotiations had collapsed. Trump stated that discussions between the two sides had taken place repeatedly in recent days. He described reports of failed talks and false and inaccurate. Meanwhile, governments across the region are closely watching developments. Airports, military installations, and key infrastructure remain under increased security. The full extent of the damage at Kuwait International Airport is still being assessed. Authorities have not yet announced when normal flight operations will resume. Investigations into the attack are ongoing. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.